This male is busy building a mound of stones in which, if he's lucky, a female will lay her eggs. As the river flows faster, the work gets harder. It's a good start, but rivals are doing the same thing and want some of his pebbles. The intruder seen off, and it's back to business. A few finishing touches. And then, with the last of some 7,000 stones, his nest is complete. And right on time, here is a female. But the mound now needs one last feature. A trench where she can lay her eggs. And with a gentle shimmy of his body, he nudges her into position. And she deposits her eggs where they will be safe from both currents and predators. His work is done. The eggs will hatch, and then his mound will be slowly dismantled by the current. So next year he'll have to start all over again.